The first is, I want to say this place is too busy and crowded. How to say in a very unique and advanced way? I would say, it's been like this place is like a Piccadilly circus all morning. The shop was, or the place was chock a block with shoppers. Other power packed words that could replace congested, crowded, and busy are throng. Throng means crowded, crammed, swarmed. The place is teeming with people, teeming. The place is jam packed with people, chock a block, bursting at the seams. The next second word is I want to refer to a person who is financially unsuccessful, a person, or it could be a firm. I would say, oh, thousands of firms are expected to fail or they are going to collapse. The same in advanced would be, thousands of firms are expected to go to the wall by this year end. Businesses came a cropper. I'm gonna go bust if I have to pay any more bills this month. So these phrases, go bust, came a cropper, suggested that something is going to collapse. The synonyms are the other words that could be replaced and can come handy in place of financially unsuccessful are going bankrupt, go insolvent, go belly up, gone bust, etc. Next is, we want to say a person is going crazy and insane. The basic is, she went wild with fear as her friend got late to reach the school. She's so scared as her friend got late. The same in advance is, she was demented with worry when her friend did not come home. Or it could be a person going demented or mad, maybe substituted with insane, mad as a hatter, mad as a March hare, unhinged, a sandwich short of a picnic. He is a sandwich short of a picnic. He is balmy. All these are advanced phrases or words in place of insane.